Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at how you can install Ollama on your Mac. So if you don't know, Ollama is a tool that lets you run AI models locally on your Mac without needing the cloud. So in order to install this, you want to search for Ollama in your browser, open official website which is ollama.com, and here you have two options. You can download it by this installer. So if you click on this download Ollama, it's going to give you this option where you have to select your operating system. So you have Linux, Windows, or macOS, and then simply click on download for macOS. And it's going to start downloading this DMG file, which you can then extract to your apps, and Ollama is going to be installed. Or the second way is that you can simply paste this curl command into your terminal. So if you don't know how to open terminal, you can simply open your Spotlight search, here type terminal, and in the terminal paste this command, press enter, and now it's going to install Ollama on your macOS. So it might take some time, depends on your internet speed, but as you can see, it took like 10 seconds and I already have 30% downloaded. It might also ask you for password, which you enter when you are logging into your computer. Since I already have Ollama installed, I think that's the reason why I didn't get this password, but you might get it. So just enter your password, and after this is installed, we can close this, and then you can open your apps on your Mac and simply search for Ollama, and it should be installed over here. So you can open it, we can close this, and here we go. So this is how it is going to look. So firstly, we'll see this bar on the left side where you have new chat. So here you can send a message. Here you can add some files with this plus icon, and here you can select the model which you want to use. So you can see you have some cloud-based models over here, like Nematron, but you also have the local models like Gemma 4. So you can see this download icon. You need to download this model if you want to use it. And then you can start using Ollama over here. On the left side, you can also see the launch mode, which means you can connect all of those tools with Ollama. So for example, you can use the uh, Gemma 4 model in Claude Code. You can use it in Hermes or Open Code. So for example, what I can do, I can open Open Code and we can connect this Ollama to Open Code. So I'm going to open terminal quickly. I will copy this Ollama launch Open Code. I'm going to paste it in. And now you can see we need to choose the model which we want to use. So you can see the sign is required to use this model. I can use my arrows on keyboard to choose a model which I want. You can also see the size of the model. So Gemma 4 is 12 gigabytes and is not downloaded. So this is how you can use this launch section. And now let's try something. So let's say if you would like to install different model, which is like not listed over here, you can install it using the terminal. But firstly, you want to visit again Ollama website. And here, if you go to models, you can basically select which model you want to install. So you have, for example, some categories like cloud, embedding, vision, tools, thinking mode. You can sort it by popular or newest. You can also search by the name of the model. And here, let's say if you want to use this DeepSeek V4 Flash, I'm going to click on it. And here you can see the command which you need to run in your terminal in order to install this. You have also commands for other applications like OpenCode, Claude, etc. You can see the usage, context, so you have 1 million tokens and size. All right, so what I can do, I can open terminal, I can paste the command. But before that, it's asking me to sign in to my account. All right, so I'm gonna sign in quickly. I can go with my Google account. So make sure to copy this browser URL and paste it in the new window. And it will open this Ollama page where you want to connect your local Mac with this account. Device will be paired with your account connect. Device connected successfully, and now it should be working. So now we can try this again. And here we go. And this is the cloud model. So It's not going to install, but you can see the DeepSeek V4 Flash cloud over here in your Ollama. But it works the same if you want to install the models locally, but that might take some time. For example, Gemma 4. If I search for Gemma 4, I'm gonna click on it. And if you scroll at the bottom, you can see all of the Gemma models. So the largest one is around 20 gigabytes. This E4B is currently the one I'm using, I think. So that's how you can install another models if you want on Ollama. And that's basically going to be all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.